Let's move to the next question. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3. Proves that tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. Again, one of the interesting question like we did before. We did this question before. So again, a very interesting question. So sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3. Now, similar to what we did last time, squaring both sides. We did the same thing in the last question also. So sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 3, because when I square root 3, it becomes 3. Sin square theta plus cos square theta would be equal to 1. 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 3. Now, if I solve this, then sin theta cos theta, so 3 minus 1. So I'll have a 2 here. 2 sin theta cos theta, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, sin theta cos theta will be equal to 1. This is the value of sin theta cos theta that I have found. Now let me look at the right hand side. So my right hand side, what I need to prove is tan theta plus cos theta is equal to 1. I need to prove tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. So I can write tan theta plus cos theta as sin theta upon cos theta plus cos theta upon sin theta. This is cos theta sin theta. So cos, this will be sin square theta plus sin theta sin theta. This will be cos square theta. So this will be equal to 1 upon sin theta cos theta. And I've found the value of sin theta cos theta as 1. So this will be equal to 1. So tan theta plus cos theta equal to 1. So this is how this question is done. Similar to this question. In this question also we had done something like these. These are the questions which are very good to practice before you plan to appear for the board exams. Let's move to the